U.S. Copyright Office, AI-generated works are not eligible for copyright. I had another one about record labels actually now chasing Spotify and Apple Music and things like this. It is about to be a gigantic disaster trying to regulate this thing or litigate this thing or whatever. They're not eligible for copyright, which means they can get used and reused and reused and used and reused, and the remix on top of the remix just gets more remixed.
Yeah, and in this particular case, I think we talked about it, where like a comic book was just purely AI generated, at least the images, and this is not eligible, I guess.
It makes sense to me.
So can't copyright that.
No, it'd be like you trying to copyright all those Kanye country songs you've been listening to. Mm-hmm. They'd be looking at it saying, wait a minute, you train the voice based on this. The songwriter and the melody belongs to this. It's just so hard. What is what? What belongs to who? A human may select or arrange AI-generated material in a sufficiently creative way that the resulting work as a whole constitutes an original work of authorship, or an artist may modify material originally generated by AI technology to such a degree that the modifications meet the standard for copyright protection. This is a statement in favor of such things. Mm-hmm. I don't know. It's not straightforward. It's not easy because, you and I talked about famous instruments sampled and then replayed at a later moment. And, you can obviously get into the conversation around like what is original, what's original, what should you be able to protect,
and how much human intervention is going to be inputted for the output of work.
How do you decide these things?
Oh, scary.
The copyright only protects creations made by humans. This is just the way that it's set up right now. I kind of agree, though. It's going to be an impossible thing to police. If you start saying, oh, yeah, we can imagine the degree to which all these submissions go up now that the creation itself has been expedited to the degree that it has. Like Mr. Guy with the shoes over there. He's like, boom, copyright this image. Right? The guy that did the architectural shoes using Midjourney. The speed at which you can produce these things means that these offices could be overwhelmed by AI-generated artwork. And then is everybody even representing the images or content or music or whatever else it is? Are they representing the AI element accurately? Are they transparent about the degree to which there's been an AI input?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very scary stuff.